Hi friends, in this session we will going to do the data analysis for CRD design for equal number of replication. We consider 2 replications and 26 treatments. Okay, we will going to see in this session how we will going to do the data analysis in Excel. Okay, it's very simple, easy. Please watch, continue this video so you will get the clear cut idea about how to do the data analysis in Excel. Okay, so let's see. Consider the first character name. You called it character or just parameter. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, so I'll consider here plant weight in gram. Okay, this unit is very important. Whatever your character you choose for the analysis, you should have to mention the unit of that particular character. Okay, so below this you will get the treatments. You can see here the treatments 1 to 26. Then you can see here the replications. You called it replications or observations or plots. If there is plot, then you can consider the treatment 1 having 2 plots, that is R1, R2. You can call it anything, plot, observation or replication. You see here the data. This is data obtained from our research, but this is the rub data for the analysis purpose only. Okay, I'll giving this rub data just. This is not optimized or not obtained from real research, because I put these values here to do the analysis. Okay, so you can see here, you can just put this data like 300 if you want, you can put here, or just you copy paste data. For example, I'll show you how to copy paste here. For example, I'll copy this data and make one sheet like example. Okay, paste here. Okay, this is our data which is obtained from our research. Okay, you consider that. So if here is no data, you will get this type of Excel sheet. Okay, if you want to buy this type of Excel sheet, then definitely contact me. We will sell this type of Excel sheets and you will get my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. Okay, let's see. Here is your data which is obtained from your research, and you already input that data in Excel. Okay, so you can just select that data, then copy, come to our design. You can see here the first cell, click here. Okay, then right click, then you can see here the paste options. You can see here values. You should have to remember this. You should have to only paste the values, not any other format like functions, then transpose, and no any other format, only values. Okay, just click it. Okay, you'll get everything here. So this is the very easy to do the data analysis. Okay, and this is the real-time data analysis sheet, so that you should have to change the red color values only. You don't change any other things or don't go for any other things. Okay, just you need to change or modify the red color values if you want. Let's see in the next what you will get from this Excel sheet. I will explain all the points. So if you want, then you definitely watch. Otherwise, if you want to purchase, you just go to the description box, then ask me, then buy, and then come back here to learn next what you will get from this Excel sheet. Or before buying, you can just look the whole video what you will get exactly in this sheet and what you want. If you want any additional point, then definitely ask me on WhatsApp, then definitely I will add that point also in our Excel sheet. So I am explaining what you will get from this sheet. You will get the treatment total. Okay, whatever treatment we choose in 26, you will get the treatment total for 26, then treatment mean, then below you will get the replication total, replication average, but don't consider the replication total and replication average because it is a CRD design. In this cell you will get the grand total. Okay, grand total means the total of R1, R2 with respect of the treatments, means the total of this all the values like this. Okay, let me check once. You can see here 13, 27, 1, 13, 27, 1. Okay, this is the grand total value. Okay, below that you will get the very important table. Let me expand. Okay, so this is the ANOVA table. You will get ANOVA table also in this sheet. The ANOVA table, you will get the source of variation, that treatment, error and total. Then after that you will get the degrees of freedom. I wrote already the formulas. You can see here the for treatment T minus 1, then N minus T, N minus 1. So the degrees of freedom, this is the fully automatic sheet. So this sheet automatically calculate whatever the degrees of freedom for your treatments and error and total. So the next column you will get the sum of square. In sum of square, this is the calculation part. So you will get the calculation. I'll show how to calculate the sum of square for treatments. In short, you can see here the formulas. Sum of square, you can see sum of square, it means the we are squaring for this. For example, we can set a treatment 1 having the total 588.191. okay, so we making the square of this up to square of treatment 26, and we adding all the squares and we will get the sum of square. Okay, and we dividing with the help of number of observations or replications or plots, and we subtracting the correction factor, so we will get the sum of square. Okay, you can calculate this for the error, because but this is the fully automatic sheets. You need to only change the red color values, you will get everything real time. Okay, so mean sum of square, this is the more information. Mean sum of square, how to calculate? Sum of square divided by degrees of freedom, you'll get mean sum of square. You can calculate for the error as well. Okay, so if calculated, it's a very simple. Again, you can see here the mean sum of square divided by error mean sum of square. Okay, so you will get the F calculator. F table values, you can see here the function fin function is there. Okay, so you will get the F table values for 5%, then significance for the 5%, then F table value for 1% and significance for 5% you will get in ANOVA table. If you want, instead of this F table values, if you want probable values, or you want F table as well as probable values and significance for probable values, then definitely ask me. I will add that in this ANOVA table. You can see here next table, you will get the correction factor, which already we used to the calculation of sum of square. Then CV, you remember few points about the CV. It's always in percentage, and this is very high CV. So keep in mind, if your lab experiment or control environment condition research, then definitely your CV should be less than 5%. And if your field experiment, then your CV should be greater than 5% or less than equal to 20%. You can remember this. Okay, for example, next table you will get the CD 5%, CD 1%. Okay, here is point when we need to calculate CD or when we don't calculate CD. Okay, for example, if our treatments are non-significant, then we don't calculate the CD value. You should have to write NA in thesis. Okay, and if your treatments are significant, SIG, okay, then you should have to calculate the CD at 5% and 1%. Okay, and then you need to put that CD value in your thesis. And if your treatments are significant, then you should have to need to do the post hoc analysis of your data after this analysis. Okay, if if your treatments are significant, then you should go for the post hoc analysis. After this, you will get the final thesis table. In that, you will get the treatments, then treatment mean, AC plus minus, then CD at 5%. If you want to add any value from this ANOVA table or this below small table, then you can able to add this. You just copy these values and you can add to your thesis tables. Okay. Below that also you will get the graphical data representation for the respective characters, so that you can have to give the character name here. Then you should have to give the axis title. For example, here is the below axis title. You should have to put the treatments here, and here you can put the plant weight in gram. This is very simple and fully customizable. If you want this type of Excel sheet, then definitely go to the description box of this video. Then you will get my WhatsApp number link. If you want to buy, then definitely contact me. If any query regarding your research, then definitely ask me. I will going to solve your query, or just go to this video comment box and just comment. Okay, if any query regarding this, because this is very simple. You need to just change these values. If you want to modify your values, for example, your advisor asking you this is very very high, or this is very less value, you should have to make changes little bit over there. Then you definitely go for this, because this is the real time. This is very useful. Okay, if any query, then definitely ask me. Thank you so much for watching.